I'm sorry, but don't wanna talk. I need a moment before I go. It's nothing personal. I do the blinds. They don't need to see me cry. Cause even if they understand, they don't understand. So then when I'm finished, I'm all by my business and ready to save the road. I'm faking my misery, making my bitch can be everyone's favorite girl. So take him and fly away. I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can keep me safe.